Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next to. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. My dear friends, this is gold and gold is right now standing at 1934. We are looking at the 4 hours chart of gold. So to be honest, right now gold is standing in a pretty uncertain area because we can see that for the last couple of days, gold is trying to break this level here but unable to do so. But if we look at the overall trend, then the overall trend is very much clear. The market is in uptrend. But gold is struggling to cross this particular level here. We can see that the market structure is very much bullish. There is no doubt. But here, gold is unable to continue the market structure. So it's better to wait for a few days if you're planning for swing trades. But if you're looking for day trades, then we have got some levels for you. First of all, let's look at the news that is gold flat as investors await economic data. You can see here gold prices were little changed on Tuesday with investors awaiting US economy data due this week that could impact the Federal Reserve's policy path. So the news is also saying the same thing that gold investors are flat. There's not much movement on the chart of gold. If we look at the chart of DXY, then we can see that DXY is still trading inside the range only. The overall structure is bearish, there is no doubt, but the internally we can see that the market is choppy. We can see that there is no clear direction on the present chart of DXY right now. But yes, there is no doubt that DXY is under the dominance of sellers, and maybe DXY will be breaking 101.25 very soon. But as of now, DXY is trading above 101.25. It is stuck in a range here. As long as DXY will be trading inside this range, we will see kind of a flat market on GBP USD, Euro USD, gold and others. There will not be any significant change in the chart. My dear friend, if you have taken a sell position right now, considering it as a resistance, then I'll say that you can be on the trade, don't need to exit from the position right now. Around 4 to 5 days ago, we talked about the support level. Okay, support level around 1924. Okay, and we saw market bouncing from 1923 level. It was a good trade. Then we talked about the support around 1920 and we saw a perfect bounce from 1920. Then we talked about on the video on Saturday, we talked about the support around 1910, 1910, 1911. Okay, that particular range, and we saw a perfect bounce on Monday as well. So my dear friends, our levels have been working very nicely, perfectly so far. So for the retracement, the next level will be around 1900 to 1901. I have already discussed about this level. So my dear friend, if you are looking for a good trade on the chart of gold, then the level will be around 1900 to 1901. So if gold comes down for retracement, see, if gold wants to continue the present structure here, what is the present structure? The present structure is this. If gold wants to continue the present structure, then it will have to come for retracement, and the retracement level will be 1900 to 1901 level. We can also see that the 50 moving average, the first moving, this one, the 50 moving average is also more or less playing as a the role of dynamic support in the market. Okay, so if market comes down after a few days, you can also observe the market around 50 moving average. I cannot give you the exact number right now because this is a dynamic support. When it will come, okay, then we'll get to know what is the level. Okay, I think it will be around 1915 to 1920, in between 1915 to 1920. If market comes to 1915, 1920, you can look for a buy position. But if the selling price is high, then your retracement level will be 1900 to 1901. If market comes to the level and bounces, you can go for a buy position. And those who are planning to take a buy position right now, I'll say that the time is not right yet, because we have already seen on the news also that market is flat. You can clearly see that right now market does not have the strength to go for a breakout. Whenever we are thinking that this is a breakout, immediately we see that it turns into a false breakout, isn't it? So as a result, I will not consider any buy position, and I'll also request you to avoid buy position right now. In case market go for breakout, wait for 3 hours, 4 hours, and just observe and see whether the breakout sustains or not. Just see what dxy is doing, whether dxy is going down or not. If you see that dxy is not going down, dxy there is no strong selling on dxy, then it is a confirmation that goal will be showing some false breakout moves. Okay, so it's better to wait and watch, because right now we do not have any fundamental factor also that will push the market right now. So as a result, it's better to be careful. And personally, I will avoid taking a sell position in this market, because overall the trend of the market is towards the upside and we should respect the trend. See, if you have experience in the market, if you have been trading for months and years, then you can consider taking a sell position. But beginners, new traders, if you have been or struggling with the market right now, then as of now, your first priority should be following the trend. Okay, so you don't need to do that. So day traders, okay, I'm coming down to day traders. Day traders, I have got 3 levels for you. Okay, I have got 3 levels for you, but keep in mind these 3 levels are not very strong. These are weak levels. So you need to observe the market. If you see market taking support and bouncing, then only you should go for a buy position. Otherwise, just avoid it. So observe, then only come to a decision. First of all, we have 1927. We have 1927 as the first support. If the volume is not volume, the volatility of the market is low, you can expect the market to take support around 1927 level, around 1927. It can be 1926.50 also, it can be 1927.50 as well. Observe, if you see market taking support, market forming hammer and all, go for a buy position. Do not expect a huge profit. Okay, you can book your profits after 30 to 40 pips. Okay, in case the selling pressure is high, if market breaks 1927, observe the market 1924 level. 24 level. Okay, if market takes support, bounces, go for a buy. If market breaks it, then the last level is around 1921. So these are the 3 support for day traders only. Okay, not for swing day traders only, because these are not very strong support zones. Levels are 1927, 1924, and 1921. Observe the market. If market bounces, then only go for buy position. Again, I'm repeating, these are not very reliable levels. The next reliable support is on, there are 2 reliable supports, okay, frankly. First of all, 1900 or 1901, if market comes for a good retracement level. In case market doesn't come, then you can also observe the market around a 50 moving average. Okay, if you just observe the market, then you can see the right now market is just standing at the top. Okay, just standing at the top, it means that market is overpriced. High chance of market coming down. Okay, so no need to pay higher price. Okay, so just wait for the right moment. Okay. So that's it. Hopefully you got my point. Bye bye, take care. Please follow proper risk management. Do not gamble. Bye bye.